So here it is. And then it's got microwave cooking, table of contents, breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, and then the appendix, which I use actually the most. So it's got just talk about cooking tips, about the microwave, and then we get into breakfast. So breakfast crisps gives 3 different recipes. Then we've got oatmeal, 3 different ways. It explains the whole thing and all the different options. And then we've got breakfast frittatas, 3 different recipes. And then we've got chowders, so 1, 2, 3 choices. And then we've got one pot pastas, 3 different choices. Let's just turn this. Then we've got lettuce wraps, nacho, sesame, ginger, and shrimp cob. Then we've got power bowls, 3 recipes for that. And then we've got one pot chicken dinners. And then you can see that right there. And then chilies, 3 different types. And then chocolatey desserts, 3 different ways, or 2 different ways. Cupcakes and cake. Got sweet banana, loaf, and the muffins. Then we've got chocolate bliss desserts. So we've got actually a loaf and a cake. And then this is what I use the most. We've got our multi-purpose steamer. So we've got grains, vegetables, seafood, poultry. And then we've got our rectangular steamer, vegetables, seafood, and poultry. And then talking about just cooking times and everything else. And there we go.